Hi guys, good morning. So a little update. I haven't updated you guys for about, I said 3 days now. Is it three? Yeah, I think so. So this Angora, this white one, she gave birth 2 days ago to 5 kids. But as we're speaking, we only have one left. She did not take care of them at all. She didn't take out her four. She did not breastfeed them, and before we know it, four died. And then we had to take out the remaining one to another cage. So we have a lot of mothers at the moment, so we had to take that child to another mother to breastfeed. And that one, she has been breastfeeding the babies with her own babies. So hopefully that one survive, because the baby is not that healthy, but we're hoping it survives. And then this rabbit beside her also gave birth the same day, like on the same day as her. So she gave birth to two. Look at them. She's really trying with breastfeeding. I wished the Angora also took care of her own babies. But anyways, we're going to cross her again. Yeah, we did that yesterday. We crossed her yesterday again. And the fact that it took a very long time for her to, for her crossing to be successful the first time, we're hoping it won't take that long with this one. She's just pretty. I want her pretty babies. And yeah, let's check on this ones. This one, we moved her from her cage. This was not a cage, but we had to move her away from that place to this place, because we want all our mothers, like the breastfeeding mothers, to be on the same side, so it will be easy to monitor them. And then the black one, this black Angora, she's taking care of her kids very well. Oh, okay. Oh, this one is black. And that's the biggest. Oh my god. So this one is black. I think the rest are white, but that one is black, and I'm praying that one turns out to be Angora, even though I'm sure the rest are not, but I'm hoping that black one will be Angora. So anyways, that's the update. Let's go see the other models. All right, this ones, they are doing fine as well. The one with 9 babies, we already took them out of the box and they are playing. So this morning we decided to give them their normal feed instead of this, but they can still chew on this corn peel even though it's dry. They even prefer it dry like that. And this one, oh my god, this one got aggressive like a few days ago, and he even beat my husband's hand. It was really deep, but she is also very good. Yeah, and the babies are also doing wonderfully well. The one with the brown babies, look at them there. Oh my god, isn't that the cutest thing you ever see? They're also very nice, and she's doing well taking care of them. Now, this rabbit, she was meant to give birth up, I think like 6 days ago, but we don't know what happened. She's still pregnant, and it's been days. We've tried to give her some things to ease labor and stuff, but no, nothing. We don't know what to do yet, but she's still here. And then this one, not pregnant, but she's here. She'll be pregnant soon. Our winners from the other room, we had to move them to this cage so they can be close by and we'll be able to monitor them very well. The rest are here, and then There are some here as well. There's also one, yeah, because there are 9 in numbers. So there is one more left in that room. We just decided to leave that one there. And this one with our beautiful, beautiful babies. So this was where we brought the Angora baby. This is where we brought the Angora baby. Oh guys, so I did not know the Angora baby also died. Wow, that's sad. Oh my god, this rabbit, they're so pretty. Oh, hey, take a look at this. Very pretty. So she's also taking care of our babies very well. And guys, let me show you something. So this is where we placed the cage, and we put rabbits in them. We have about 9 rabbits in this cage. So we have 4 up here, 4 here, and then there's 1 down there. They are all male rabbits, all male. This was built for the male rabbits. And yeah, we've been feeding them, and honestly I love this cage because it will be very easy to clean. We just have to take this one, you just have to take it out, dust it off, and then put it back inside. So it's easy. Let me open it so you guys can see. You see, and it's far deep inside. There's enough space for them, which is very, very good. This is the rabbit with the brown babies that you're seeing. Any brown baby you're seeing, this is the father. Oh my god, he's super active, very, very active. Alright, let's close that up. And our aggressive mom, she's still very protective of her child. If you try to go close, she'll try to attack you, so don't. So they are all busy with their meal. They're even almost done with it, and we still have these ones here. Oh, this ones, they're also doing good. Honestly, what happened to their mom is still a mystery to us, but this mother is really taking good care of them, even though she lost all her babies. But she's good. She's taking care of them very well, which is very good. And that's it for all the rabbits with babies. We don't have any more. Yeah, and yes, these winners, we brought them, we moved them to this side. 3 of them, they're here and they're doing very fine. So the one here was the one we moved down to their own cage up there. I get a lot of a wild animal can't be domesticated. Why are you having a wild animal in your house? But guys, check this out. My dog and my civet, they are always playing. Like, these are best of friends. I kid you not, they are best of friends. They love each other so much. They always play together. If you see Molly, you see Richie. My dog is Richie and my civet is Molly. They are always together. Fine, my other dog doesn't like Molly, which is my civet. But you see this, my brown dog, he loves Molly so much. Training is going on and Adele is also joining. Adele, what are you doing? You want to what? You want to sweep? You want to sweep? Okay.
should come in.
Hmm?
Practice it. Mommy, you should practice it.
Okay, okay.